Increased velocity in the final phase of the run-up was demonstrated at Athens by Connor and Grishchenkov. It lowers his body's center of gravity, at the same time stepping up the rate of the final 3 strides of the runner.